or it needs to be lower down. Wait, stand like in the corner. Hey guys, so I'm joined here with my chummy Nikolett and Fire, and today we're going to be making, what are we going to be making?
Bonfire night cupcake!
Yes, because it was Bonfire / Guy Fawkes night tomorrow. It is going to be Guy Fawkes night tomorrow. So we are going to be making Bonfire night cupcakes, and yeah, hope you enjoy it. So, what do we need? What do we need? You'll need a cake, cream cheese frosting,
food colouring. This is orange by
what else? Marshmallows and sprinkles and Matchmakers to make it, you know, a little campfire, and cupcake case. Bowl. What else? A fork or a whisk. In this case, fork. You'll also need oil and eggs. Yeah.
Eaten straight from a chicken's butt.
Eggs. Free range. Large. Right, here we go. I'm not baked in ages. Just see.
You're gonna cut this down.
No.
Can I entertain you guys? I don't know what to do. So, how's your day? I'm just asking them how their day is.
Yeah. And just to mention, I've not actually done a baking video on the channel. Yay! So, it's a first. Can't. Gently. Wait, I just realised. Gently.
Oh.
Yeah. 4. Great word. Spoon. Spoon. Moon. Spoon. It's been a long day.
Record this with a phone.
Oh, close up shot.
Yeah.
Yes. Do it. Also, want to give a little shout out. Thanks for new subscribers and viewers, and I got quite a lot of views on my last 1940s vlog. Thank you!
Yay! Spoon dance! Right.
Here we go. Oh. 7. There we go. Oh, this just looks lovely.
It does. Need to go away.
Mix it.
Woo!
That was quite a lot.
Oh, we'll mix it.
We'll mix it. Right.
We'll mix it. Mix it.
Oh.
You're gonna want to get rid of all the little bumps things. You're gonna need to make it small. Make sure you get all the sides. It's becoming a tutorial channel. Let's get the sides.
This is just a fun little try video.
Gotta keep mixing.
like very much. Let's get a conversation going. Are you watching?
This way, because they're...
No. Sorry. Are you watching? Gunpowder. Gunpowder on BBC. I'm not like sponsored to say this, by the way. But if you're not, watch it. Last episode is on tonight. But if you've not watched it already, then you should. Just saying. It's about Guy Fawkes on Bonfire night and the story of it, and it's got Kit Harrison in it. Harrington?
Yeah.
Harrington. Jon Snow is playing one of the main characters.
Oh.
It's like a little fire on a cupcake. It's all messy. If you do manage to make any of these at home yourself, then do tag me in. I don't know, Twitter, because that's a thing. I go on Twitter. I really don't. No, I do have Twitter, but I only use it to share my videos. No one talks to me. Yeah, Twitter. What could they use? Hashtag Bonfire Night Cupcake. No. Hashtag ForeverLottie Cupcakes.
That brings back memories.
Brings back memories. Basically, me and Nikolett came up with this idea that we were going to make this baking channel called ForeverLottie Cupcakes. Forever being from my channel, ForeverLottie, and then Nerdy being from your old channel, Nikki Nerdy Wolf. And cupcakes, because we're going to make cupcakes and bake and all that jazz.
It just never happened.
And it never happened, so I think every time we bake now on this channel, that can be the hashtag. So, hashtag ForeverLottie Cupcakes. Let's see. Ooh, we use this and then we can. Yeah.
Oh.
No, like.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean? Creativity. Voila. So, just put them in here.
You know, I just had a little taste of it. Fondant. This is gonna take a while. Have you seen that video?
Sorry.
It happened.
We got mixed one. Right.
Do you want to swap? Because I'm really messy.
Are you chummy?
Yeah, I am. Just a bit. Are we gonna put cream cheese in the middle as well? Like in the filling? Or
That's too advanced. Too advanced for me. Maybe one day when, like, you know,
I love the cupcake.
when I get 100 subscribers. Taking time. Half an hour. Let's make half an hour. So 7:05.
I'm setting the alarm.
Just 7. So while it bakes, do the spoon dance.
Those are both dirty.
They've gone. They've gone.
Spoon dance.
So we've got 15 minutes to wait until our cakes are ready. So we're gonna use cream cheese and we're gonna use the orange food colouring to make it orange, obviously. Right.
It's already like yellowy, isn't it? So
yeah, so This is going to be like, yeah, so we're going to make like little, what do you call it? Flames. For the fire. I don't know. Oh.
How are we going to do it? Are we going to like...
Put it in the bowl, add the mix. Yeah, that's fine. Right, now time to add orange colour. I've never used food colour.
No, right, this is exciting.
I know. What does it smell?
Because you don't want to use too much. Oh well, is it that bad?
Don't smell the food colouring.
Oh no!
Oh, my nose!
Oh no!
No.
Gonna have an orange nose.
No, show me don't rub it in. Right, just get the tea towel. Behind you.
Don't mind me. Just eating the cake, mate. This is... Gee, that doesn't even work. It's making noises. It's alive! I think we need like a couple more drops to make it bright orange.
I just listened to you like the sound.
Yeah, it made a sound. Am I just imagining things?
And make it like marbly. Let's just go all out and make it all like marbly. Right, okay. So, piping bags. From Asda. Let's see what they're like. Like a little review. It's not a review. Not sponsored. Fully not sponsored by Asda at all.
Or anything.
Oh yeah, you get 10.
10?
Yeah, so we can have one each. Wow. These are big ones. Ooh. Like proper ones. You can see how excited I get over piping bags.
Are we gonna cut it down now or can I
This is so fun.
I like we're doing DIY.
DIY.
Should we
Nikolett? Yeah. Right, so basically what I've done, guys, because we had so much cake mix left over and we don't like wasting food, so we've put some, excuse the butter, we didn't know how much it was going to rise, but we're making another cake, not for this video, just our own.
Just our own amusement.
Yeah.
Oh wait, you need to put the knob on. I'm like,
how do you do this?
How do you...
Right.
As you do.
As we do. Right, let's snip it.
Which
There's some there as well, like metal and stuff.
how do I use it? Like that one? Or
Yeah.
that one?
I'd use that one because it's like, there we go.
I don't actually like...
And then, I have used piping bags before. It's just not these ones. Not the professional ones where you have to cut it yourself. The ones where...
These aren't even cool.
I've got it, Johnny. Come on, it's time to go, 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 go!
Wait. I hope that's good.
Right. See, I've learnt this where you can mix two together and make it all marbly. You get the lighter colour first, or the pattern, the stripes, whatever. You put it inside the piping bag. Line the piping bag like so. Right, so basically, the icing didn't go too well. It's gone a bit funny, so I've got some like fondant, which we're going to mould into like the shape and then pour the orange over the top.
Like a foundation.
Exactly. Okay. So we've got what was supposed to go in a piping bag, except it's ended up a bit runny. So we're going to use this over the top to like paint it as paint. Yes. Or foundation if you're Nikolett. Oh, right.
It's got even.
Very, very sweet. Just amazing. She's great.
Hashtag not spawn.
You can be my hashtag non-spawn, like, little...
It's like every time we mention
shout out.
Every time we mention a brand, it's like, not spawn.
I know, yeah.
Just pay and just leave it for later.
Okay. Got some fondant. So, ready rolled fondant. You can make it yourself. It's up to you. So, like I said before, I'm going to make it into the shape of fire.
I am. There you go. Yay! You know what I hate when you hear them go off, like you hear a big one go off and then like everyone starts going, what?
And one went off really loud last night, and I mean, like, it must have been 11 o'clock, and they're in bed just like, oh, perfect sleep, bang! It's like, blooming heck.
And then all the dogs start barking like, oh, shh. It's been a long day.
It's been a long day. It's not copyright when you sing it. Hashtag not
Hashtag not spawn.
So I've made a triangle here, and then I've just put like little things around it, so like just make it, it's like make a little flame. And now I'm going to use the orange to.
Good luck.
I'm just going to like drizzle it over, I think.
Drizzle. We're learning.
I've got this now.
I'm still fiddling with it.
Just like make a base, which is like a triangle, and then build fire around it.
Good thinking, shit. Hashtag not spawn.
Have like, oh, you know what would be really good in this moment? Like one of those baking brushes. Buy a baking brush if you have one. Buy a baking brush. Oh, it's so late at night. I can't speak.
We have one, like what you spread like egg.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Well, like the really dainty ones, like what they have on those programs where they make cakes and they're just so beautiful. I do love a good matchmaker. They always remind me of Christmas. Like when I got these today, I was like, that's too early. You've done it. Show the camera. Show your beautiful artwork.
That is not a beautiful artwork. It's weird.
Modern art.
Don't even.
So I've added the matchmakers and I've added some chocolate sprinkles in between. Might need some more on that side, but like it's getting there. So I'm putting small marshmallows on matchsticks. So it's like a little cup.
Yay!
Yeah. Oh, you put in the mirror. Oh, that is like perfect. Yeah.
You spiked them.
Look, they're so cute.
Oh,
yay. These are so adorable. I'm actually proud. You know, sometimes you have to fail to succeed. Hashtag not. I mean, it's adorable.
It's a good.
It's a good fail. I think it doesn't take. It's not that much effort. Finish. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, then please click that big thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. Hope you liked it.
Tag us in yours if you make.
Yeah, using the hashtag ForeverLottie all in the description. If you want to make these yourself, we'll put some sort of a method down in the description. So thank you for watching.